Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that today this is our online English literature class, and from yesterday we have started with our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, The Monkey Band. So, children, I hope you all have watched my part 1 and part 2 videos of yesterday's assignment, which I gave you on Monday. And in part 1 video yesterday, I gave you half explanation of the story, and in part 2 video, children, I gave you one notebook exercise to complete in your English practice notebook, which was of hard words. Okay, so I hope, children, you all have read that chapter at home twice or thrice yesterday, and I hope you all have completed your first exercise of hard words of this chapter in your practice notebooks. Now, children, today again I am going to explain you the chapter which was left over, but first of all I will give you a short recap which we have learnt yesterday, which we have studied yesterday, and then we will continue with our leftover story. I will read it and then I will explain it to you. This will be our part 1 video, and then in part 2 video, children, I will give you one notebook exercise of word meanings to write in your English literature notebooks. So for that, children, are you all ready today? Very good. So first of all, you have to take out your English reader book, that is Buzzword book number 2 for class 2. Is that clear? And then please turn to page number 40. Now, this page we have learnt before only. Okay, we have understood what is the story all about. As you all know that this is a story, this is a part of a story from the story of Jungle Book. Okay, and you all must have heard the story of Jungle Book, story of a boy, okay, human boy, and who used to live in the forest, and he was very friendly with all the wild animals. Okay, so this is a story from the Jungle Book only. Okay, so in this story, children, you all have, first of all I am giving you a short recap which we have studied yesterday. So this is a story when Mowgli was a little boy who lived in a jungle. The boy who used to live in jungle, his name was Mowgli. Okay, and he was walking through the jungle on one bright morning singing a merry song. अब वो एक दिन जंगल में अपना वॉक कर रहा था and he was singing a merry song. On the way he met his friend Baloo the bear. On the way he met his friend whose name was Baloo. And who was Baloo? He was a bear. Okay. What a beautiful song, said Baloo. I wish there was some music for your song, but I cannot play any music for you. Now, when he was singing a song, so his friend Baloo, Mowgli's friend Baloo, replied that he said that you are singing a very beautiful song, and I hope, I wish there was some म्यूज़िक फॉर योर सॉन्ग, आपके सॉन्ग के लिए कोई म्यूज़िक होता, बट आई कैन नॉट प्ले द म्यूज़िक फॉर यू. सो सडनली देयर वॉज अ साउंड इन द ब्रांचेस. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, चिल्ड्रन, व्हेन दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट म्यूज़िक, सडनली दे हर्ड अ साउंड इन द ब्रांचेस अबव देम फ्रॉम द ट्रीज, and Baloo and Mowgli looked up, and what was the sound of? It was the monkeys. Okay, the monkeys were howling and shrieking, and they always made a lot of noise. You all know that monkeys make a lot of noise, so they were howling and shrieking. We heard you, they chattered. Now monkeys, from the top of the tree, they said that we heard you talking, and we can play music for you. हमने आपको बात करते सुना है और हम आपके लिए म्यूज़िक प्ले कर सकते हैं. You don't have guitars. Baloo, जो मोगली का फ्रेंड था, he said that how can you play the music? You don't have any kind of musical instrument, any guitar you don't have drums, so how can you play the music? So the monkeys laughed and they said, we don't need any of them. Monkeys just laughed and said, we don't need any musical instrument, we can make music by ourselves only. Okay, the monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an oak tree. Then they jumped over to the hollow trunk. Okay, and they hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. Dug bug dub 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 dub. Okay, this was the sound which they made from the oak tree. Is that clear? So till here we have learnt yesterday. Now coming to the next part of the story. Some of them brought dried gourds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Now children, what are gourds? Gourds. Gourds means fruits with hard skin, like आपका pumpkin, कद्दू आप खाते हो, so same thing. Okay, or you can say lockie. Okay, gourd, bitter gourd you eat. So they have a hard skin from above, but from inside their flesh is very soft with seeds inside them. Okay, and started shaking them like rattles. What are rattles, children? Rattles are toys for small children to make loud sounds when they are shaken. जब हम उसको शेक करते हैं, हिलाते हैं, तो उस टॉय में से जब आवाज़ आती है, that toys are known as rattles. Okay, you must have seen, जब आप बहुत छोटे थे या आपके कोई भी सिबलिंग्स में से भाई बहन कोई भी बहुत छोटा है, तो दे प्ले विथ अ टॉय विच मेक अ साउंड. इन हिंदी यू से झुंझुना, so that is known as rattles. Okay, chang 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 changa chang. Okay, so this was the sound which they created from gourds by shaking them. Some of them brought dried gourds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Chang 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 changa chang chang. Okay, a few monkeys tied some vines of a few branches and began to play them like guitars. Now here, next what they first of all they made a sound from an oak tree. Okay, then secondly they made sound from the dried gourds by shaking them, and third they tied some vines. Now what are vines, children? I explained you yesterday also. Stems of plants that can climb. जो stem होती है plants की, बहुत हल्की पतली stems होती हैं जो क्लाइंब करती, क्लाइंबर्स की. ओके, उन वाइन्स को उन लोगों ने एक साथ में बांधा. दे टाइड देम एंड began to play them like guitars. You must have all seen how guitar is played. Guitar also have strings in it, and we just play through those strings only. So twang twang they went, twang 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 twanga twang twang. Okay, so this was the sound from guitar. This was the sound from the vines which they played like guitars. Okay, so you can see how creatively they just without using any musical instrument, from nature only they started making sounds. You understand? So, what a wonderful music band you make, exclaimed Mowgli. Now Mowgli was very happy and he said that what a wonderful music band you make. So Mowgli sang his song and his monkey band played along with him. Now what happened next? Mowgli started singing his same song which he was singing before. He started singing his song and all the monkeys played their band along with his song. The sound of the band was so good that Baloo had to dance and sing too. जो बैंड का साउंड था, जो भी मंकीज ने बैंड पूरा क्रिएट किया था, उसका साउंड और सॉन्ग का साउंड सुन के बलू हैड टू डांस एंड सिंग टू. बलू का भी बहुत मन कर गया कि मैं भी डांस करूं और सिंग करूं. सो the sound of the band was so good that Baloo had to dance and sing too. Boppity doo da, boppity doo. Okay, this was just a sound which the bear, whose name was Baloo, created himself. Okay, boppity doo da, boppity doo doo. Okay, what a lovely time they had. Now, by this, they had a great time. They had a lot of fun. And they created a very nice music. They played a very nice music for Mowgli's song. So they were all very happy and they were all very joyful. Okay, they were very happy, they had a great time with each other. So that was all, children, in this story, children. I hope you all have understood. So in this story you have learned that how monkeys played the band for Mowgli's song without having any musical instrument, and they created the sounds with the help of natural things which were available in nature. Okay, so this is a very exciting and nice story. I hope you all have understood. So children, this was all for part 1 video today, and it's my humble request to you all that please make sure you just read this chapter, this story very clearly at home 2 or 3 times. Okay, I have read this whole story very softly and very in a very good manner, so that you can understand each and every word. So make sure that you also do it in the same manner. Okay, now switch on to my next video for your notebook exercise. Bye.